English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 18.
I watched the game last night. It was great.
I didn't watch the game. I stayed late at work.
He walked to the office. They arrived together. She didn't walk downtown.
We didn't arrive on time.
They didn't stay for long. I played soccer after work last night. He didn't walk to work today. I worked from 9 to 5 yesterday. She lived in Paris for 4 years. I talked to lots of people on my trip.
Wash, washed, stop, stopped, dance, danced, try, tried.
My friend cooked some pasta, but I didn't try it. We arrived late, but our boss didn't shout at us. I washed my car, but it didn't look clean. I watched the film, but I didn't enjoy it. It stopped raining, but then it started snowing. I didn't walk to work. I cycled.
They played tennis after work. Did they play tennis after work?
Did he visit the art gallery with his family yesterday? Did you play board games when you were young? Did he cook some pasta for lunch? Did she stay at home and watch TV last night? Did they watch a scary movie at the movie theater? Did they walk home from work together?
Hi, Jasmine. How are you?
Okay, thanks. I'm just back from my vacation.
Oh, was it good?
Yes, thanks. It was an activity-based trip, so I played lots of sports.
Oh, like what?
Well, I played tennis. I love tennis. And I played volleyball. But I also tried some things for the first time. That was really exciting. For example, I tried yoga.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I really liked it. I want to do it again.
Did you try any of the local food?
Oh yeah, I love trying new food. I tried kofta and baklava. Absolutely delicious.
Oh, did you carry some back in your suitcase for me? You know I love my food.
Sorry, no. Maybe I can find the recipe and cook them for you.
He played soccer. They visited a museum. She listened to music. He watched TV. They cooked a meal. They played a board game.
End of Lesson 18.